Hi, I'm Dr. Richard Downs with Dental Sleep Balance. I made this little video because I want to show you how to use the new SNOOR Sleep Position Tracker. Many of you are already using the SNOOR Positional Trainer, and you already know many of you are using that with your patients who have a positional component to their sleep apnea. Because if you find on your HSTs that they actually have a worse AHI score or RDI score while sleeping on the back, having them sleep on their side can improve the results you get with your mandibular advancement devices. This is the SNOOR box that they come in. You can see it's spelled SNOOOR, triple O. And as we said before, this little device is what comes in the box. It's light and easy to use. It only costs the patient $60, and it's a very handy device for helping people who have a positional component to their snoring or breathing issues. It's turned on by pressing the button, and you get one single beep. And when you put this on, it's usually attached to the breastbone here with these little stickers. There's 32 of them that come in the box, and you can order more of these. But these stickers hold it here, and then after about 20 minutes to allow you to go to sleep, it begins to vibrate gently so that it reminds you to sleep on your side. In about 2 weeks, people are trained to sleep on their side. They need to continue to use it, because if they don't, they'll go back to the habit of sleeping on your back again. Now on the back, this says SNOOR. You can see it says SNOOR. Put that up close to you here. There it is. And the new device that I'm going to introduce to you now is also says SNOOR on the back. Same thing. That might be confusing, and they look the same on the front too. But this one, when you wear this one on the breastbone with the same stickers, it does not vibrate. All it does is record your sleeping position, and it tracks it all night long. And then you're able to download it to an app on the phone, which is free. You can actually have the patient download that free from the website, and then you give them to take home. They bring it back. You can use this over and over again, so you don't have to buy a lot of these. 5 to 10 per office would be probably plenty, and you can use it over and over, as I said. Now, when you turn this one on, it has a different function. Watch what happens here. I'm going to press the button, and you can see it flashes 3 times. This tells you that this is a tracker rather than a position trainer like this one is. Now, this tracker will, in about 1 minute, flash 3 times again, and it will vibrate on that time. But then the rest of the night, it won't vibrate at all, and it'll track the position of the sleeping. In the morning, it'll turn off automatically, just like the SNOOR device does, so you don't have to worry about the battery going dead. Now, when you get the a tracker, I'm going to show you an app that you can get for downloading the data. So here's the I'm going to show this on the screen here. You can get this from the App Store. You can get it from the App Store or Google Play, either one. But this is what the app looks like. As you can see, it says left. Now you might wonder why it's called left. Well, the reason it's called left is because there's another device coming. Don't have it in my possession yet. It's called left, and it has a different function. It will train people to sleep on their left side or on their back, but not on the right. It's made for a different purpose. The purpose for the left is to treat certain medical conditions like GERD, gastric reflux. Okay? Now, I'm going to show you this device again. This is as we said, the tracker. Watch now. I'm going to turn it on. Hold on here. 3. Okay, now I'm going to turn it off. Now I want to sync this up with the app on the phone. So here's what you do. You actually take the button and you hit it 5 times. Now you can see that the light and the button is staying on. This is ready for connecting to your app. I'm going to set this down and I'm going to show you what the app looks like when you open it. Let me open it up on the phone. And it looks like, I'm going to grab this for you. Looks like this when you open it. Okay. Now I'm going to hit the connect button right here. And it's going to, and now it just connected. It just connected with my Side Sleep Tracker app. And you can see in here that we have recorded some of my sleeping certain nights, different nights. So I can pick one of these, like this one. And now you get another screen that gives you a summary of how much time I slept on my left, right, back, stomach, all these positions, even the up and down positions. Some people sleep sitting up. And on the bottom, you'll see the position tracker, what times they occurred throughout the night. And on the second screen, let's just go to the next one here, you'll see, oops, there you go. Oops, try again. All right, you'll see the tracking device again, okay, the different times it changed. And then on the bottom, you'll see when the lights were turned out, and in the morning when the lights were turned on and when it stopped tracking, okay? Now, let's say they want to send this material, this information to you via the computer. The patient wants to send it to you. They can either bring the tracker back in, which you're going to want them to do anyway because you're going to use it for another patient, or they can send you this information via that little button right up there, See the arrow? And I've hit that, and I'll show you what that looks like. So that'll give you the option of sending this material I'm going to bring that up a little bit. I'm going to block some names out so you don't see it. So now I can send that data. It'll bring this up for you, either text message or through the mail or to a Dropbox or Google Docs. Okay. Now I'm just going to send that to myself, that data via the mail, and I'll show you what it looks like when it comes to my computer. So let me just go ahead and share my computer with you right now. Okay. So just hold on a moment. I'll do a little, get my screen. Okay, so here's my desktop Gmail, and I sent this to myself. Here it is right here. And you will see that I have sent myself this code. This is the actual file that I sent to me. I'm going to open it up. You can see there are 2 files here, a README file and then actual Excel file. You can download that with the download button and put it on your a folder on your desktop. Now I'm going to show you the folder that I use real quick here. I'll grab that for you. And you'll see that I have called a tracker folder. This is the tracker folder. I call it tracker. And there's the file that I want right there. It's an Excel file. Now there's another one in this one, but I'm just going to use one of them. So I'm going to upload this file, which is the data on myself. But here's where you want to upload it, and I'll just show you that in a minute. Get this out of the way. So this is the website where you do the data collection. And I'm going to copy that, track it up here. By the way, I'm going to read that to you. http://54.224.234.53/. I'm going to put that up here, right there. And I'm going to hit return and go into that site. There's your place where you upload your data. Okay, this is the kind of a standard looking form here, but I'm going to choose that file now that I put on my computer. So you go to choose file, you grab that one, hit open. Now you see that file right there, and I'm going to upload it. Here goes. And there it is. This is my data that I sent to the doctor or to myself. And you can see the positions that I slept at the times I did it, when I turned over, which side and position I was sleeping on, all night long. And over here is the data summary. This is the summary data right here. Shows that I slept most of the time on the left, about 19% of the time on the right, 18% of the time on my back. And then the rest is in the, small upright positions or stomach, okay? So this is the data that will help you analyze whether the patient is actually complying with your instructions on sleeping on their side. If they've been trained well enough that the tracker actually did its work, the SNOOR device did its work, and they're actually getting the results that they need. By looking at this, you can time when you want to do your titration HST or other things. There are other good uses for this tracker, so this is a nice device to have. Like I said, you shouldn't need any more than 5 to 10 of these. You get a bulk discount on the website when you purchase those. The websites to go to purchase this is dentalsleepbalance.com or SNOOR.com. That's SNOOOR.com. And generally, the SNOOR website is for patients to order, but and we'll have a code for the doctors so the patients can get a discount of free shipping when they order through your code. Or if you dispense them in the office and sell them in the office, we got discount bulk order forms, order codes for you, and you can get them at a substantially lower cost than what this site is showing you. Generally, you'll find those codes on Dental Sleep Balance site. That's dentalsleepbalance.com. Okay, so if you need to get a hold of me and you want to talk further about how to use the sleep tracker, email me at rdowns, RDOWNS, at SNOOR.com with a triple O, SNOOOR.com, or just email me through the links on the website. So I'll be happy to chat with you. Thank you for your attention.